Hello and welcome back to Research Circle. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss about how much does YouTube pay for 1000 and 100k a million views. According to the statistics, there are 5 million YouTube views on YouTube every day. So the average duration of the YouTube uh, is about 40 minutes in a single session. So every minute users add about 400 hours of video and probably even more. So there are established stars and leaders on the YouTube, and the consumption among aspiring content creators is extremely high. So nevertheless, anyone can make money on the YouTube. To do so, you need to understand what the user want to see, what content he is missing, know and use promotions strategies, and invest a lot of time and effort into improving the quality of the content. You should also understand that an empty channel will not interest anyone, so you should take care of the presence on your channel of impressive number of views, likes and subscribes. So for most YouTubers, the main source of income is online advertising that are compromising or integrated into their videos. The throughout use of advertising really allows you to make a lot of money without alerting viewers. So the algorithm of targeting advertise on the YouTube help the advertisers to find the interested client and the potential client to find the goods and services he is interested in. So this significantly helps the blogger who acts as an intermediary to increase his income. Note, YouTube doesn't have any fixed rate for the views. Revenue for the commercial ad or the views can vary from 30 cents to several dollars. So the first thing is how much money or the how quickly increase income from the views on YouTube. So let's get to the point only. Now there are several strategies. Let's move to this point. Your video viewing income is affected by several factors. The first is the ability of your audience to pay, the gender and the age of majority of your viewers, the language spoken in the video as well as the title and annotations of the video. In the other word, your income on the YouTube depend in on a small part of which audience is regular viewers and subscribers. So your income on the YouTube does not depend at all upon the country you live in, upon the country you have specified your account setting, or upon the language of the video you are watching. Also, the service doesn't care at all how old you are, what your gender is, nationality, race, etc. Another factor is profitability and sensationality, maximum activity of the advertisers, and therefore the profitability of the YouTube channel is observed in the pre-New Year's month, November and December. That is around the new, you can say New Year holidays. There is a sharp decline in profitability. Individuals, goods and services always have their own specific sensationality. Factors that seems harm channel profitability include various problems with monetizing videos, content ID application, adult and offensive content discrimination of any kind. YouTube affiliation account. So these are the factors that we have already discussed. The next one is YouTube affiliate account. So users with the YouTube affiliate account can earn in the other ways such as subscriptions, super chat, privilege and more. However, a certified partnership with the YouTube requires the challenge to comply with the several conditions, full compliance with the services, so at least 4,000 hours of the views and at least 1,000 new subscribers over the past year. If these requirements are met, the channel owner will be able to see a green dollar symbol to the next video on their YouTube studio. Additional sources of income, besides YouTube views, there are additional ways to earn on the YouTube, such as affiliate risk, which can use to recommend a product reviewed in a video and earn money by following the links to the customer's resource. Your viewers should trust you and know that you will provide them whatever will be the trustful and useful on your confidence base. Also, YouTube Premium is some situations allows you to significantly increase your ad revenue. Connecting a channel to media network that collaborates with the YouTube also allows you to increase the viewership revenue. So in order to connect with the affiliate program, you need to fulfill number of conditions confirming that your advertising potential that we have already discussed, like minimum 4,000 hours of view, at least 1,000 subscribers, and uploading videos must not violate the general rule of the service governing monetized by the AdSense YouTube program. So on YouTube, you can make the money from advertising, reviewing payouts, CPM. As you can see, this is the cost of 100 commercial blocks impressive. Then CPV, payouts for the video views, placing links to the other videos. This is also, and CPC, this is pay per click, which pays the advertiser to each transition of the client to the site after viewing the video. So while concluding, I would like to say this is the revolution of social media, and it will continuous and intense process, constantly advertising to changes in the world situation and people's new needs. As a social internet service change, so do the strategies of the internet makers. During the last, YouTube blogging and vlogging are the room of popularity. Conducting activities on the YouTube lets you deliver your content to the multi-million audience all over the world and earn a big money on it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to Research Circle channel and take care of yourself. Bye bye.